If you're thinking about getting a drone, DJI is a popular choice. They have lots of different drones, so which one is best? Whether you're new to flying or you've been doing it for a while, DJI's drones have something for everyone in 2024. They have small ones like the Mini series, medium ones like the Mavic, and big ones like the Inspire. Each drone is amazing and can help you take awesome pictures and videos from the sky. So, which DJI drone is right for you? Let's find out the perfect one for you. Number 7. DJI Avatar. Starting off the list is the DJI Avatar, a revolution in FPV drone tech. It's not your typical FPV drone, it's way easier to fly. With the Avatar, anyone can dive into the action and shoot mind-blowing 4K FPV videos at up to 60 FPS. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, it's got you covered with manual acro mode for experts and a motion controller for beginners. Plus, its sinew hoop style design with built-in prop guards means it can take a beating and keep on flying. Weighing in at 410 grams, it's light enough to soar for up to 18 minutes. And you've got plenty of space to store all your epic footage with 20 GB onboard storage and a micro SD card slot. But let's talk about that video quality. With a 48MP CMOS sensor and f2.8 lens, your shots are gonna look stunning. And don't forget about those cool slow-mo shots at 100 FPS in 7K. Whether you're into FPV or snapping pics, the Avatar has got your back. Plus, it plays nice with DJI Goggles 2 and DJI FPV Goggles V2, giving you even more ways to capture your adventures in style. Get ready to take your FPV game to the next level with the DJI Avatar. Number 6. DJI Air 2S. The next is the DJI Air 2S, a compact marvel boasting a small yet powerful camera. Measuring only 7.1 x 3 inches and weighing just 595 grams, it's incredibly portable without compromising on features. Foldable propeller arms ensure easy transportability without sacrificing durability. With its 20MP 1-inch sensor and 8x digital zoom, capturing detailed shots is effortless. Enjoy stunning 4K and 4K videos at 60 frames per second, though note the fixed f2.8 aperture for exposure control. Safety features include obstacle sensors and AirSense ADS-B technology, prioritizing flight safety. Beginners will appreciate its user-friendly automated flight modes. For those seeking a drone that combines portability with top-notch image quality and features, the DJI Air 2S is the ultimate choice. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. This one is for those looking for pocket-friendly options. The DJI Mini 2 SE. Offering impressive performance at an affordable price point, it's the perfect choice for budget-conscious drone enthusiasts. Capture stabilized 7K videos and stunning 12MP photos with ease. Equipped with GPS and Find My Drone features, you can fly confidently without fear of getting lost. Weighing just 249 g, it's incredibly lightweight and FAA registration-free, requiring only a quick online test for operation. Enjoy nearly half an hour of flight time, reaching heights of up to 400 feet, all while staying connected with the intuitive smartphone app. While lacking obstacle sensors, it's an excellent option for beginners seeking smooth footage. Photographers will appreciate the ability to capture raw format images for additional editing flexibility. Experience affordability and performance with the DJI Mini 2 SE. Number 4. DJI Inspire 3. Introducing the Inspire 3, a filmmaker's dream come true. While it may require an investment comparable to a small car, once all the extras are added, trust me, it's worth every penny. Say goodbye to traditional jibs and dollies. This powerhouse can handle it all, albeit with a tad more wind turbulence. Thanks to its advanced RTK compatibility, it navigates with pinpoint accuracy, down to the centimeter. Equipped with the detachable ZenMuse X98K air camera, it's like having a miniature robot beneath the drone, capturing every angle flawlessly. Keep in mind, it records onto DJI's high-priced SSD cards, and editing may demand a powerful computer. However, the breathtaking footage it produces makes every investment worthwhile. With its dual-native ISO full-frame imaging sensor and 360-degree rotation capability, the Inspire 3 delivers the spectacular footage expected from such a high-end investment. It's like having a Hollywood studio in the sky. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. A tiny yet mighty addition to the DJI family, the DJI Mini 3 is packed with power. Its stabilized 4K/12 megapixel camera ensures crystal clear aerial shots, while boasting an impressive 10-kilometer range and an astounding 38-minute flight time, perfect for capturing epic footage from great heights. Control options include the DJI RC-N1 controller or upgrade to the DJI RC controller with a built-in display for added convenience. Opting for the Fly More combo adds extra batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag for enhanced portability. Praised for its user-friendly design, steady flights, and stunning photo and video capabilities, the DJI Mini 3 is beloved by enthusiasts. Whether exploring scenic landscapes or chasing thrilling adventures, it's the ultimate companion for aerial fun. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The next one is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a powerhouse drone with an awesome camera that'll make your footage look like it's straight out of a movie. It's super smart too, with sensors all over to help it steer clear of obstacles and GPS to keep it rock steady in the air. And get this, it can fly for up to 35 minutes on a single charge, so you can capture all the action without worrying about running out of juice. Now, if you're serious about filmmaking, you might want to treat yourself to the Pro Scene Edition. It comes with all sorts of cool extras like a 1TB SSD and support for ProRes 422 video, perfect for professional quality shots. But don't worry if you're on a budget. The Classic Edition still gives you an amazing flying experience without all the fancy bells and whistles. Whether you're shooting epic movies or just having a blast, the Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate choice for capturing stunning aerial footage. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as the most advanced sub-250G drone available, offering flagship features and functionality that truly justify its Pro designation. Its lightweight design and advanced features make it ideal for advanced pilots and professionals seeking a drone that's both regulator-friendly and packed with cutting-edge capabilities. Key features include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, improved subject tracking, and advanced return to home, alongside various video enhancements. Easy setup and smooth flight characteristics cater to both beginners and experienced pilots alike. While its image sensor and camera remain consistent with previous models, the Mini 4 Pro boasts improved image processing for enhanced performance. With its 12/48 MP11 3-inch sensor featuring large 2.4 micrometers pixels, the Mini 4 Pro delivers excellent image quality in a compact package. The camera offers a 24mm equivalent focal length with a fixed f1.7 aperture, adjustable to 90° for portrait format shooting. Video capabilities include standard and flat color profiles, with slow motion functionality up to 4K. Additionally, photographers can capture images in both RAW and JPEG formats. And that's a wrap on our DJI drone lineup for 2024. Remember, this is just the beginning. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Tech AI to stay in the loop. We've got a sky full of incredible gadgets on the horizon, ready to illuminate your future. Thank you for joining us on this flight. Keep dreaming big, and we'll see you on the next adventure.